What's up, YouTube? So I'm here in Colorado. Max is filming, hopefully not doing a shitty job. Taylor's getting his boots on. We're about to snowboard. It is currently Thursday, right? We got here Tuesday. We've been here 2 days. Let me do a quick recap. So first night we got here, everything was pretty normal, but then the shower sprung a leak and water started coming through the ceiling, and yeah, we basically had to deal with that all night. Yesterday we snowboarded, just kind of took it easy. We have a couple shots on GoPros. I tried to do a backflip with my snowboard boots on and landed right on my face. Then to finish off yesterday, here, let me just show you. I managed to slam my phone in the door of the car, so it is completely useless. iPhone X, strongest glass of any smartphone ever. I think not.
You smashed a door into it, bro.
It's a piece of shit, so I'm gonna have to go buy a new phone. But first, let's snowboard. So let's spin into a snowboard edit. Let's do this. All right, guys, so it's like freaking insane conditions up here right now. It's been snowing all day. It's finally starting to clear up. I'm gonna try to get some pictures. Taylor, like, stopping right in front of me, is probably gonna soak me and the camera, but I'm pretty sure this camera's weatherproof, maybe. I'm not sure. Let's find out. So it's not that bad. We can do this. Rock. How you feeling, dude?
I hate
this is nice. I like this.
No, it's not.
Hey, this makes you an expert. We're experts now. All right, guys. So this is where I'm going. Down into that. Oh, it's getting steep. Where's Max? We're gonna lose him in here. Come on. He has no idea the log's there.
Oh my God, it's a truck. Oh shit! Oh.
You okay, buddy?
Dude, I wouldn't have made an avalanche. If we had an avalanche, I'd be dead. Ah!
What's going on, dude?
I just spent $1,300. Didn't want to spend.
You had to buy a new one?
I just bought it outright. What do you mean I had to buy it? What do you
Damn,
think?
dude, that's that YouTube money,
what do you
man.
think they were gonna do? They're gonna screw it
I thought
back
you could
together?
get the one you pay like $30 a month.
I thought about it, but I don't want to deal with it. I'd rather just buy it outright.
Does it say the new iPhone?
If you get a YouTube channel, guys, you can buy a brand new iPhone whenever you want.
No,
Am I right, dude?
no, that's not true. Don't do that. All right, dude, got a new phone. It's, oh, shit.
Oh my God, bro! You almost got me.
All right, I'm all good though. I got. All right, so we're gonna do a little challenge. I've been watching the Grand Tour, and I've been inspired by the Grand Tour. So there's this road behind the house that snakes up. We're at the bottom now. The house is up there. So we're gonna race the Razor from the bottom to the top. All three of us. Best time wins. Last place is buying dinner tonight.
Ain't gonna be me, baby. Woo! That's what Maryland does. Crab cakes and football, baby.
I want to whoop the shit out of him just so I can shut him up. Bro, it's cold. It is very cold. What are you doing? What? No, no!
54. I don't get any test runs or anything.
Max's time, 52.66. We have absolutely no idea if that's good or bad. That could be the best time ever.
Hey, you want his goggles?
This thing on?
All right, guys. So I'm not too happy about this. Max, what was your time?
52 and some change.
You want to say the change or?
Just some change.
All right. I was 50.44.
Yeah.
2 seconds faster than Matt.
47.66.
Good news, I'm not buying pizza.
That's Max.
Let's go get some pizza.
Oh, no, let me see how you get the camera, dude. Look at the camera. This is the sickest transition in the game, dude. You gotta make.
All right, guys, you know what's better than pizza? Free pizza, because your friend's terrible at driving and has to pay for it. But it's not all good because the same guy crashed my drone into a tree. So, appreciate it.
You're welcome, dude. I'd do it again if I had the chance.
Anyways, we're gonna enjoy this pizza. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Smash that like button. More snowmobiling, snowboarding videos coming later this week. Max, wanna take it home?
Subscribe to my channel. Please, seriously, please. It's the first thing in the description. Please.